Go out there. Tell us what you have.
I have a train station and a Lego train and a taxi. Uh-oh. That's a minute. Stop.
No, keep going. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Tell us what else you have.
I have a little boat. It doesn't go very well in water. And I have a Lego police thing like a motorcycle. I got this police thing with a gun in it. And I got two bad guys. And I got this.
What's that?
A thing
It's a camper.
a camper thing.
Okay.
What's a minute, I have to fix this. And actually I got a Lego ambulance on my birthday. And I got a fire truck. And it does this. It does this. And I got a Lego helicopter with some motor controls inside of it. And I got this Lego fire jeep with motor controls in it and lights and sirens. And I got this truck with a stroller on the back. And I got this helicopter. And I got this motorcycle. And I got this sign that said police on it.
Tell us what to do with that mill over there. How do you load the hopper car? You want me to help you load the hopper car?
And
Here. You want to load the hopper car? Pull it up. Pull it up. Make sure you pull it up. Pull it up. Evan, pull it up. Okay, and then I'll slow it down. And then you can load it.
and you can do this at 4.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
that's okay. Keep loading it up.
And you can do this with it. You can do a hopper car with it.
Whoa. And then what? Pull it back up. Pull it back up, Evan. Pull it back up.
And you can do
Here.
and you
Here.
can do this. And you can do this with it. That's okay.
Here, Evan, I'll slow it back down.
You can do
Whoa.
and
So-
that's what we use.
So this is your Lego city?
Yes.
Cool.